Hello, folks. Uh, I'm gonna do a video here. First of all, I want to tell you I'm dissatisfied with the company that's making this camera. I'm using the Insta360X3. I had two videos. One where I done the milkweed seed pod, and another one where I retransplanted some of my strawberries in another container. Well, guess what? They're no good no more. Yeah, the camera wouldn't cut off on the last video. Kept hitting the button to cut it off, and it wouldn't cut off. Finally had to power it off, and it erased everything I had. So those two you will not see. I was planning to have more videos for you. I emailed the makers of these. It's over in Hong Kong, and why don't we start making stuff over here in America that actually works? Anyway, I'm gonna do these lettuce. And I hope this video comes out. I'm gonna transplant the lettuce. They're good enough to be transplanted, I'm hoping. And what I'm gonna do here, I got these container here, and I got this thing here. Probably can't see it, this kind of hid now. Let me put this up this way. Oh. And I got these lettuce here. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm gonna transplant them. We're in my studio, and this one just flipped over. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this one here off. It's got two seedlings in it. I'm going to plant this one in this pot here. I'm just going to put the whole thing in here. They go deeper hole there. I don't know how much of this you can see. Let me raise this camera up more. Yeah, as a YouTuber, you really don't want to lose anything. You're trying to do something on YouTube, and you come up with the China, Hong Kong stuff. Okay, I hope you see this better now. Okay, I'm going to do that there. I'm going to keep them both together like that. They can grow together. That's fine. So I'm going to put this one aside. I'm going to try to put some of them in here somehow. Anyway, this one has three seedlings. Put that one aside. Let me do this one here. This one here has more in it. So we're going to take this. We're going to punch a holes here. Trying to grow lettuce. This October. I'm trying to grow some lettuce. Trying not to hurt the roots here. There's one there. Put that right in there. Hopefully it'll come out okay. It might take me forever to grow these. Put one right here. Put another one right here. Using this pencil here to make the holes. Try to pull these out a little bit too. These little babies here. You know, I'm going to put this whole thing right in here. I'm afraid to put the rest out. When to get bigger. Okay, this one here. break down. Okay, this one here. Look at the roots on that. Pretty good roots. We're gonna put this in here. I know I probably need some more dirt in there, but that's all right. If I get a cub, well, I'll be happy, you know. Okay. Now let's see what we got here. Like I said, I hope this comes out, the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Man, I don't have enough. Do I? Okay, we're gonna do it like this. I'm gonna put that like that. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Man, really needs more stuff. But I don't have enough room in my studio. So, what is a man to do? That one probably died. I don't know. It fell over. Well, we'll see what happens. Okay. This one in here. I'm trying to get a hold of my fingers here. I got gloves on. I was doing all kinds of stuff without gloves. I'm like getting dirt under my fingernails. I gotta go on a job tomorrow. So. So what are we gonna do with this? Let's just stick these in here. Okay, I should do it right there. Okay. That's good enough. Let me get rid of these. Okay, get rid of that one there. 30 cups away. So I'm gonna try to stick those back in this tray here. I think I might have enough room. Oh, except for one. So I might have to get something else. I think I got something else. Okay, that'll fit on there. Yeah, that'll work. So these got drainage holes in them, and I want to make sure and water. Get rid of this stuff too. Okay. So, right at the end of the video, I'm going to show you what I did with these in my studio. First, I'm going to show you a picture before I started in my studio, how it looked. Then I'll show you the picture of these. Have to water these down really well. This is the way I had it before. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back. And we'll see what else we do. Like I said, I had 2 other videos for you, but it's a 360 just messed up and goofed on me again. Okay, this is what I came up with. I only got this small school desk here to work with right now. I need a bigger table. So this is what I got to work with. And I put this in a bigger container because it has holes in the bottom of this, and I don't have nothing else that size to hold the water, extra water. And I'm using that plastic tray there that came with cells before. And when water drips out of these, then that plastic container will hold the water there. And this is a bay window of my studio. Right now the grow lights are off. I got 1, 2, 3. I got this one here lower for the lettuce. And it's off during this time of day because, well, it's cloudy outside, but normally we'll get a lot of sunshine in through here. This is the south side of the house, so that works out there. I also got this fan running once in a while to prevent mold from building up around the lettuce. And there's lemongrass. I don't know what kind of tree that is. Mother log tongue somewhere back there. More lemongrass. I need to trim them. That tree there, I'm not sure what type that is either. It was here when we got here. And this mosquito plant, I forgot what you call it. And this other plant way down there, hiding. So, Germania. Anyway, germanium, I mean. Anyway, I hope this works out. This is something I'm trying. Like, this is October, and that's all I can do. I need a bigger table. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back.